Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install the latest version of Python. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to Google and type Python download. You'll be getting the first link, download Python, python.org. Click that, and here we'll be having download Python, and this is the latest version, which is 3.12.2. Just click this. So it is about 25 MB in size, so it will happen in a flash. Double click and open it, and you'll be getting the Python setup. So you need to check this add python.exe to path. Really important thing, make sure that you check this, and just click on this install now. Click yes, and the installation process will begin. So the setup is successful. Just click on close, and now just go to search and open command prompt, and here the command is going to be python space hyphen version. We are getting the version that we just installed right now. Next is going to be pip hyphen version, and we are getting the pip version also. So this is used to install Python libraries. And in case if you are getting any errors, what you are doing is go to search environment variables, click on edit the system environment variables, and here environment variables, and under user variables you'll be having path. Click on edit, and here you can see these two paths. So in case if you are not having the path, make sure that you are adding these two paths over here. So that's the video, guys. This is how you download and install latest version of Python in Windows, and I hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I run a lot of videos in programming, Python, Java, as well as CRUD operations and AI tutorials also. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.